called Treehouse.
Up this up.
Yes. And it stayed now on no top. And Peter Touch played the rain.
But guess what?
I miss me wonder how he's sitting there now, shack up.
You know why? You know why?
For real?
You know why? Peter Touch up every 3 million them time.
No man, we're good man, we're good. Read him up. No joke.
You take it on there. Say yes, but they know that. Feisen Peter, Feisen Paul. Peter, Paul and Paul. So what you know?